Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be creating this beautiful summer sweat proof, transfer proof makeup look. This is a everyday makeup look. You can use this for college, office, schools. Okay, not for schools but for shoppings as well. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, let's start with skin preparation. So I'm using a ice cube. This method always works in summers and I am from a oily skin. Then I'm using a minimalist toner. You can also use a rose water instead. And then I'm using a Pond's moisturizer. Please use the moisturizer according to your skin types only. Then I'm also applying a lip balm. I've provided all the products in the description below for you guys to have a direct purchase from there. And then I'm using a SPF. I'm using a sunscreen from Minimalist. You guys should use sunscreen on everyday basis. Then I'm using this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfection. This is very good for oily skins, especially in summers. And now I'm using a beauty blender and a fixing spray. I'm using this method only on the T-zone to make my makeup stay for a longer time. And then I'm using a eyebrow pencil. For eyebrow pencil, I'm using My Glam eyebrow pencil and I'm filling my eyebrows. Next, I'm using the skin tone concealer. This concealer is very close to my skin tone. I'm applying this concealer only on the areas where I have pigmentation and dark circles. I'll let this set on my skin for 2 to 3 minutes. Generally, when you leave the concealers for 2 to 3 minutes, they get a little thicker. And then I will start blending this really well. This will give me a very sheer sort of coverage on my face, which is exactly perfect for a everyday makeup look. And then I'm gonna start using a powder. For powder, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Toffee. And I'm setting this powder all over my face, especially in the under eyes. You guys can see the difference. Yeah, so I'll be using this all over my face, on my neck, and blending this out really well. Now I'm using this Crayolin palette to contour, blush and highlight. You guys can skip this part totally, or you can use any palette that you have. So I'm just contouring my cheekbones, my forehead, nose and jawline. And then I'm gonna use blush on the cheeks, nose. I love applying blush on my nose. And then I'm highlighting my face. I will be making a full video on how to contour, blush and highlights, so stay tuned. Next up, I'm using blush as my eye makeup. I just need a flush of color on my eyelids, so I'm just using the same blush. And then I'm using Swiss Beauty mascara. I've applied 2 coats of mascara and then I'm using My Glam lipstick. The shade is in the description. That's it, you guys. Isn't that the easiest makeup ever? So yeah, if you guys love this video, do not forget to subscribe. Also, I'm coming up with a lot of videos, so stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.